Hello friends, so today we will study do it yourself exercise. Look at the words, phrases given below. They are in a jumbled order. Rearrange them to make meaningful sentences. One has been done for you. So the first question, sports interested and recreation club I interested am in joining. तो यहाँ पे first one has been done for you. I am interested in joining the sports and recreation club. Now second, its members, the rules, its members are what for and. तो यहाँ I think what are the rules for its members, and what are the rules for its members and its membership. What are the rules for its member and its membership? It will be the answer. Are not rules, oh too many there, oh पहले आप लगा देंगे, oh are not there too many rules, oh are not there too many rules, question mark दे देंगे. Next, anything you would to know is like there more. So I think is there anything you would like to know more? Is there anything you would like to know more? Question mark. Must not non-members cards to lend membership members give or there. So I think members must not give or lend cards to non-members. Members must not give or lend their cards to non-members. Okay, now see, members suitable clothing have to for wear to every event. Now members have to wear suitable clothing for every event. Full stop. Has to be if anyone wishes see two members to join supported by the club. I think if anyone wishes to join the club, if anyone wishes to join if anyone wishes to join two members supported by the club. If anyone wishes to join two members, she has to be supported by the club. Yes, okay, so this you will write once again. I repeat, if anyone wishes to join two members, she has to be supported by the club. Yes, it is correct, so you can do it. Look at the picture given below and complete the dialogue that follows. There is an example for you. You can do this yourself. You can use these words, you see, like let's look at this map. It's a map of Travilla Island located in the Pacific. Sujata tells It's really interesting. What's that in the middle of the island? तो middle of the island क्या है? This is number 6 is the castle. It's a castle. तो आप लिखेंगे यहाँ पे it's a castle. It looks majestic. Okay. Now Sujata, oh yes, there is a waterfall in the southeast. Raghav, what are those number 4 and 8? So 4 and 8, 4 is a cave and 8 is a forest. Caves and forests. So you can write here. Number 4 is a cave. Number 4 is cave and number 8 is forest. There must be a lot of creature inhabiting the forest, I guess. Now you can write here a question related to this. Yes, the map indicates the presence of seagull on the. Is there seagulls on the island? ऐसे आप बना सकते हैं. Dolphins are shown to be near the beach. Now I can see 2 ships moving in the direction of the island, so I think people must be visiting it. So you can see the here. Who up you can form a question. Who goes on this island? How does people go and reach the island?
There must be a lot of creatures.
Okay, so you can do it. So for today it is enough. Thank you.